an alarm. Oh, sugar. Right, okay. Okay. If you're not subscribed, then
Seriously, what are you doing then?
please go on there, smash that big red subscribe button. Make sure it says subscribed and not subscribe. And also make sure you turn on post notifications as well so you'll be notified next time we upload a video. I appreciate that a lot, honestly, guys. You guys are amazing. I'm now walking down to the bus stop now to go to town to meet Danny. Off the bus and tram now, guys. I'm now going to meet Danny down there outside Sheffield Wednesday Football Club. I'll see you again, guys. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that smash the big red subscribe button because it means a lot. And yeah, let's get straight on with the video.
Going into Sainsbury's now, guys.
Yeah, I'm Danny.
Oh yeah, hello.
Hello. Right now we're here. Danny's just in front of me. I'm just trying to film this. Up to this pole here. I'm gonna go under it. Oh dear, I'm falling. I've got a big bag, so that's not very helpful.
Go on, Josh. Go on, Josh.
Why can't I do this?
He's done it.
I've got a bit of mud on my hands. This is
What
like,
a mad lad.
It's dodgy alleyway. Safety. Oh Jesus! Count on me to hit my head first. We were here last time. Remember this?
That wasn't there before.
Oh, that.
No, it wasn't there.
And that's a big building there we never went in. But I took a picture of it inside. Wow.
Good Josh vlog.
Danny K Vlogs, subscribe. Wow, there's just so much to film here.
It's not that vlog.
Yeah, trying not to keep my shoes muddy because it's the white my shoes. Ooh, this is very cool. Ow! Hit my head on the bar. I'm so clumsy. There's bricks on the floor here. Right, hello. Wow. It's beautiful. I like this.
Right. Massive, I'm not sure what it is, some kind of abandoned factory or something. So,
Wow. Well, we can't really tell what it is now because it's just abandoned, obviously. Oh, that's like fun.
do like a pan, like.
It's very bright, that. If you're enjoying this video, leave a like, subscribe.
Yeah.
To Danny as well. Comment abandoned building if you're still watching. Like path thing where people like walk across, like up there. Yeah. Oh wow. People just leave things here. And there's like a little like can thing.
Yeah.
Like beer. Don't drink alcohol, kids. It's very big. Remember the first time I went down these buildings before, and there's that big factory, big building.
Yeah.
But this is nothing compared to this. This is like double, triple the size of it.
Don't drink from there, Josh.
No, I'm not. I wasn't.
Definitely don't. Oh no, water's just splashed on my camera. Careful, Josh.
Oh gosh. Dripping. There's not really much graffiti here. Danny's just found this like underground thing. I don't really know what it is. Quite interesting. This is so much better than the first factory I went to with Danny over there. Wow. Just found a bathtub. Very interesting.
We're looking for graffiti. There's graffiti there.
Yeah, I remember like the other one, there's like loads of graffiti. This is just, well, not much. I did not realise this. Danny's just found this like really, well, it's been there before. It's a really, really cool place. There's like a truck vehicle thing there. There's like little hut thing. There's another factory. We've just been in there. We've just come out with like that little hole there. There's so much to film. So much to like just show. This is sick. No, this is really cool. Please leave a like, subscribe if you're enjoying this so far. Please, it means a lot. And Danny's taking to these really, really cool places to film. This is awesome.
We're getting a photo on that crane and we're getting happy, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to be careful, don't worry. That's like smashed glass. Blurry. Smashed glass. This is the best thing ever. Oh dear, it's water. No, I don't like anything like water.
Right, Josh.
Wow, look at this.
What can you just sit here? Me and Josh on a massive crane.
Yeah, it's a bit cool if it moves. It won't, like,
Yeah, if it moved.
like done for. I really think it's good, but this is actually, it's not really that much exploration.
Me and Josh on a crane. Subscribe.
Yeah, really subscribe for this, because these people I know, like, climb up.
Yeah, Jordan climbed on that.
Yeah, well that, exactly.
Come on then.
Yeah, there's people out there climbing like crazy and things.
Sorry, I'm hurrying you up a bit, but we don't have long at all.
It's fine, it's fine. Best. Yeah.
Especially Jordan. Like Josh.
There's no wheel in that.
Josh, we've got to go now.
Yeah, so it's fine.
If we stay in this, there's an alarm not good off if we stay in here too long.
Oh, sugar, yeah. Alright, it's fine then.
This way. Shut that and that.
Well, we're fucking there. I'm just trying to get in the shot in there. Is there an alarm? Oh, sugar. Right, okay. I wouldn't get that on film now. I'm panicking.
Oh, I got it for you. I got it.
Oh, thank you. We're running just then. I'm speeding in there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go on in here.
Right. This is a bit more like
I know.
hidden. This is actually amazing. Can't get over these things. This is just... Hello. Wow, I'm gonna stop after they get it.
It's just empty, it's empty, but it's serious.
Yeah. Well, that's actually creepy now.
So Josh into this PC room.
Wow, I'm gonna get a nice picture. Oh dear. McDonald's bottles. This is like...
Josh, I need some person.
Wow. It looks like someone still comes here though. It was like
Probably there.
bowls. I don't know, it's just... Man, it was like a TV.
Old TV.
Microwave, yeah. There's like electricity, lights, whatever that is. There's like, what are they called? Like, what are they called? Lockers?
Yes.
Sorry, just...
Me and Josh. Anyway, me and Josh being businessmen. I'm the weird guy who smiles.
We're selling this kettle.
Yeah, we'll sell this kettle if you sponsor us.
Sponsors, how's it?
Yeah.
So you call this?
So then, yeah.
Room. This book is a pain.
It was cool.
What vehicle? This is not a vehicle. What do you mean sign that says it is illegal to smoke in this vehicle? This isn't a vehicle, this is a building.
I know, right?
Right guys, I've just climbed up that over there. And now, I mean down here, it's a lovely view. Like chimneys. I think one down his friends have actually climbed up one of those. It's really high and crazy up here. There's a train track, but it's not really a proper train track though, so. Yeah. Look at those gates. Well, those gates used to be open, but they're now closed. I don't think we're going to be able to get in. I don't know.
Look how big.
Shame we can't go in.
You can have a look at it. Right guys, after 3 years of exploring this amazing factory, they've finally blocked it off. Because you know why, Josh? Because they're knocking it down.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the legendary building on my channel because it's been in over like 20 videos. But for it not to get boring and stale, I've like drunk different people like Jamie and, you know, Josh now and stuff like that. And there's actually hidden things underground and stuff like that. So I've been found stuff like that. Yeah, it's a shame I can't bring Josh into this amazing factory. But yeah, I think this is the end of an era.
That is very high.
Yeah, you don't have to climb it, but...
I know, I'm just climbing up here. Subscribe to Josh Vlogs. Subscribe to Danny K Vlogs.
That's never been open before.
Let's be quick then. Train track is here, guys. It's really cool. It's walking right far. There's like a Rick and Morty character, like graffiti thing there.
It's Rick. Guys, the door's open.
Oh no.
The freaking door's never been open before. Ever. Look at that.
All for YouTube. Doesn't that just look
You're
like
going
the
in
gates
first.
opens and they'll let loose like one of the, like, the creatures or something?
Going in first, Josh.
Oh god, no. I just film on my phone.
You locked it. Wait.
Still filming, so just thank you. No.
He's trapped. Josh is trapped. And let's do a thing. Wait. Oh, sick. This is Josh's life in prison. He's been done for the murder of Danny K Vlogs.
Do that without me talking, so. I murdered Danny K Vlogs.
That's it. Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Big thank you
Film a
to.
movie.
Oh yeah, that's a project that's coming soon on my channel. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, there's a lot of cars as well. So it's quick. Thank you, Danny, for taking me around. Thank you for acting in my short film as well.
Oh yeah.
It's been a lot of fun. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.